Dito po parking.
Ayun o. Sasakyan. Wow, ate, we are here. Oh, wear your slippers. Opo. Dito.
This looks like more than Jurassic Park.
Dito mo ilagay ah.
Ayun o, yung malaking trash can o. Asul.
Is this free?
Tanong natin. Let's pay muna.
Oh yeah, there is.
Ayun pala, may bike eh.
Ha?
Bike na lang.
May bike din pala dito.
Magkano pong entrance?
60 po. Ang kasama na tayo.
I want to ride a bike.
60. 60?
160. 160.
Oh, 160 nga.
Magkano po sa ano? Sa bike? Saan po dito yung mga street siya? Ano? Yan ka right? Dito lang po.
Ah, tara, doon na naman tayo sa ostrich.
Kaya pag ano?
Ganun pa ikat. Ah, thank you po. Ha? Huwag na. Magkano ba yung bike?
Tayo din.
Ito yung pagong. Dun oh. Wow.
Ay, may itlog baby oh. Ay, yung itlog baby oh. May itlog. Ay, no. Ay, egg oh.
Ayun na ako sa gitna.
So big.
That one. Egg. Egg.
Ay, malaki. Ay, no. Ay, no. Did you see?
Can you see?
Egg, the big one.
O, dun, ate, tabi ka dito oh, para pipicturean ko kayo. Dali. Stand up here. Dali. Wow. So good.
I want to feel it. Feel that. Oh my goodness.
Oh, alis na. So big. Oh, laki ng fried chicken.
Fried
Fried chicken? Huh? What do you mean fried
Laki. Ay,
chicken?
ano?
Siba naman, ikot na.
May ano sa kada sa ano. May sa kada sa street. Ang laki.
Tatay pala yung natuwa eh.
Gulat ako. First time mo rin na makakita ng ostrich ay.
How big is
Peacock. You want to see a peacock?
Oh yeah,
Oh, then
yeah,
let's
yeah,
go
yeah.
there. Oh. There's a lot of peacock. Ayun.
Wag niyo dandahan para picturean ko kayo.
It's ano to? Sago?
Harap dito. Harap dito. Pipicturean ko. Move ng konti. Tabi ng konti. Ginagalit nyo naman yung photographer.
The big ano. The feet.
Hmm. The color is so black. Wow.
Even the bird is scared of it.
It's ano yun, it's the ancestor of ano. The ancestor of dinosaur.
Hmm.
Oh no.
Oh, no, it's okay. Look, oh. Look the ano, ang kuko, the nail. Why it's so big? Look.
I think I want to see the peacock, Daddy. Oh my goodness.
Cassowary. Ocean.
Oh my
Cassowary.
goodness.
Oh, those. The peacock is there. Oh my.
Oh my. Oh.
Wait.
Yan ang peacock, baby.
They only use bites.
Mm.
Oh, yeah.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Oh, see the one.
Oh, that's
Yan.
over
Wow.
there.
Ayun yung peacock, baby. Ay, pag lumarap dito. Ayun, ayun.
Oh,
Ayun.
wow.
Oh.
Wow.
It's more. Is this like a zoo?
Yeah.
It's also.
Wildlife is a zoo.
Oh, what's that?
It's, I know.
Hmm.
Pelican.
Ito.
Great white pelican. Ah, the
Ayaw ko
pelican.
na-
They are delivering
Yan
the
pala yun.
they are delivering the babies.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You remember?
Delivering the babies.
Yeah, I know, like that one.
Yeah.
Wait, because they deliver the babies
Because of
Baby,
their
ang
beak.
ganda ng kulay. Oh, it's blue.
Wow, so beautiful.
Which one is the girl?
The girl is the small one. The
Oh.
boy is the big one.
Like this one?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. How do they even impress a girl?
With
Like
their
that.
That
You're
one.
gonna impress the girl.
Oh,
Do you like
oh,
that?
oh my god, I see the butt.
Mm-mm.
I can see the butt cheeks of that.
wow.
See?
Oh my,
See? They fly?
they can fly?
Mm-hmm.
I thought the peacocks cannot fly. Oh my. Daddy, why is this still not stopping?
This one? This one? That's the peacock.
That one,
Peacock.
with the feathers.
Ano meron dyan? Ito yun, may donkey doon.
Donkey, I want to see a donkey.
Ay, mamaya. Tingnan naman natin kung ano meron.
Oh yeah, Daddy.
Like an eagle.
A bird. That's a bird.
Yeah, I can see that one over there. But the others, I cannot see because of the...
May nakalpas oh.
They're so big.
Ayun, ayan.
Oh,
Oh.
that looked like more than a kiwi
Ariel
bird.
crocodile. You want to see Ariel crocodile?
Yep.
Come here.
Yeah. So big. Wow, it's so big. Wow,
Hindi ko nakakita ng ganyan kalaki.
it's so big.
Like,
So much big crocodile.
It's only one.
Daddy, is that what? Why that's how fast?
So fat.
Pat? Saka ako dahil patang mo lang.
The crocodile is so fat.
Can we ride a donkey? Very dangerous. I think the fish is
The tongue is moving.
Oh, yeah.
And the eyes is open. Did you see the eyes is open?
Yeah, the ice is almost. Do not climb, huh?
There's a turtle. A lot of turtle.
Galing ng crocodile, no? Hindi talaga naandar. Nagalaw.
There's a small crocodile here.
There's another one. I think that one's riding the crocodile.
That's your turtle. Ano pala nila tumami ko laki yun? Yung pag sa bahay. Yun o.
Mommy, who's that one?
Bird.
Look, that is a crocodile. Wide open.
Yeah, it's
And
360.
be careful, there's ants. Oh, look.
Wide open.
Daddy, huh? It's making no
Tingnan natin yung nandun ng donkey. Yung papagaling.
Alas na. Ayun, there is a donkey there, oh. Ayun.
Paganda, meron pa dito sa side. Bakit hindi pa yung halos na yun? Ibig sabihin kung ibig sabihin kung sinulong, edi mas malaki pa dyan. Tayo.
Ano lang to?
Imagine ito, maliit pa to.
Maliit pa yan.
So, paano pa sinulong kung gano'n kalaki
Ibig
sa
sabihin, sobrang laki nun, ano?
Go. Careful.
Don't run kasi there's a bike.
Di ba? Kung sinulong yung mas malaki talaga, hindi yung malaki sa buong mundo. No? Pakalaki. Ito, ang laki na. Dapat ito, nakakaganda na yung mga hayop din sa baba.
Oh, donkey is here.
Ayun o, look,
You know,
donkey.
inside the cage.
Kabayo pala, kabayo. Philippine pony.
Philippine pony.
Philippine pony. Yan ang kabayo ng Pilipinas. Ayan.
Oh.
Horse.
Here, oh, ate. See it?
Ito.
Ayun, oh. See? Ayun, there's other one, oh. Ayun, oh. It's the pelican.
Yeah, when you get super hungry.
Ganda ng kulay, no?
Parang milky white. Ayun, donkey. Ano eh, kabayo pa rin yung baby.
Horse.
Miniature horse. Miniature horse.
Tata, is following hard.
Yeah, that's right.
I eat that.
Maybe it's not.
No, we don't eat horses. the horse from Spirit.
Yeah. So
This is
big
the
one.
girl, the one riding.
Mhm. Okay. Other side naman. Dito na, anak. Wow.
On the bike.
Huwag na. Uwi na tayo, anak.
Gagawin na tayo lalo.
Mag-CCR muna tayo.
Tingnan
Dito sa
natin doon sa
gilid.
part doon sa kabila. Baka kung ano meron para makita nito. You see a real crocodile. It's huge. You see the small pony. The small pony.
Where?
That one.
That's the small pony.
Makiangkas na lang kaya tayo kay Tutoy. Wala naman sakay.
Sama ko!
Dito tayo, anak. Kalipot.
Kapag may farm ka pala namin. Ang tayo sa may ostrich. Ostrich.
Ano ba? Titingin tayo. Ito yung bridge, oh. Patawid sa kabila. Ito, nagpapakyut. Ayun, yung ostrich.
Ay, dito natin yung birds ko.
It's following. So beautiful. Take care. Love the horse.
If I can ride it. Is there a donkey here?
Wait lang, si Ern. Doon na sa taas na yun. Ano yun?
Oh! The birds! Are you happy? Yeah? 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 Are you here? Yeah?
Baka nandyan. Ayan na nga, tiger.
Where?
Ayun.
In the cage.
Yeah, nakasulat, tiger.
A tiger? Do you want to see a tiger? Yeah. I hope it's a white tiger. Is it a white tiger?
Ano na.
You just want to see, cage.
Lion.
And lion.
Lion.
Wow.
Is there a white tiger? Mommy,
No, there
do
is.
white tigers exist? Or no?
Yeah, there is. What? Ha? Ay, nakakulong doon sa loob. Nakita ko. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Welcome.
Mommy, Daddy.
Nasa loob sila.
Mommy, I want you.
Come here.
Mommy, I want you.
Slowly.
Yun yung tiger of
Where?
Inside. Wow.
I mean, what? It's an orange one.
Meow.
krok.
Oh,
Grrr.
look at that.
Iihi ay.
Roar.
The tiger is a cat.
No, it's not. It was the lion. I'm hungry. He must work for me.
Yeah.
Mommy, he must work for
Mm.
me.
But
Chupacabra.
ayoko.
So, tayo?
Ay, let's go na.
Tiger?
Baba na.
Tara.
Let's go.
Why is there no lion? Just only a tiger.
Maybe, I don't know.
And they're catching up one. And they just all.
Maybe inside.
Not there.
Bye-bye.
I can see what is on the rock.
Mhm.
What about the other one? This one.
Hmm?
What about the lion?
Yeah. What kind of bird is that?
I don't know. I don't know what kind of bird. If you recognize the sound, you know what was that.
Mm.
Mommy, is there a bird, other bird that can copy what you're saying?
Yeah, the parrot.
No, like a different, like sounds,
Maybe.
like a baby crying.
Yeah, it's the parrot. Yeah.
No, there's other more birds.
Oh, maybe. But I don't know what it is
It's only a
called.
parrot. Then,
Yeah.
then where's the parrot? Cigarette. Ew, poops. Bird poops. Clock. Like clockers. Boom, boom. Oh, there's a kayak. It's right here.
Hmm.
Is there even a animal in that river?
Maybe. A fish.
Fish? Or maybe other, like a gigantic fish?
Hmm.
Or maybe a catfish? Or why you behind?
Because I'm taking beaches. Ha? Hindi naman na. Nainom ako ng gamot. Nasabihin ko nga kay Doc yun. What's here? What's in here? Let's see.
Is there what's in there?
Yeah, let's see.
Underwater?
I don't know. Ah, the deer. You forgot the deer.
Up there?
You forgot the deer. Natuwa na kayo sa ostrich.
I see
Yun.
one. I see one.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
you can see one up here.
I know.
I know.
Oh, I see one. Oh, another one.
Wah.
Yan isulit mo. Ito lang.
Mommy,
Wow.
but where's the boy?
That one, no? The big task.
Daddy.
The long task.
Oh, I see it. Not here.
Hmm?
That's what Santa Claus can no ride.
You want to hold the deer? Huh?
No, like Santa Claus. Like a sleigh, and then there's a lot of reindeer.
Hmm.
And also, those deers are mighty cool. They can fly. Can fly. Especially the one in the ticket. The one is so one. Wait. I see one.
Ayun.
That one?
Ayun. Ayun. See?
Oh, there's one.
Tired?
Ayun, may bird pa dito. May dinosaur dito.
Bird? A dinosaur? Dinosaur bird. Okay.
Are here.
Huh?
Are here.
Are here? This looks like bird. Dinosaur.
Baby, I'm for tiger.
Huh?
Oh, baby.
It's a cute chicken, huh? It's so cute, oh. Cute chickens.
Lady arm,
Hmm.
ano? Hurt pheasant, mami.
They're so
Ganda
cute.
po yun.
Can we take a look?
Go.
Go, take a look.
They're so cute.
Look.
Careful.
Silky, ano ito, yung silk, silk robe chicken. Hindi, ito yung silk robe na to.
Mm-mm.
Ganda naman na po.
Ganda. Silver peasant.
Silver pheasant. Ito naman ay
Peasant.
lady armlet.
Ganda.
Ito, labuyo.
Cute nga.
Ito, labuyo. Ganda na kulay niya.
Hmm. Tara na.
Oh. So many birds. Yeah.
Here.
Oh, mommy.
Love.
Mommy,
What?
this one looks like a hair.
Yeah.
Come on, there's a number.
Huh? Lovebird? Let me see. Huh? Oh, so cute. There's the blue one. Oh my god, sound. Honey, come on. Continue. Continue your journey. Just walk. Just do like walk. Walk. Oh, Kali. Kali, huh? You almost made me fell, huh? Just follow that.
Monkey? I'm here at the back. Don't worry. Oh. You thought I'm not here?
Down. Every birthday dapat dito kita ha.
Here, anak, oh, you see the Philippine hawk eagle so that you can see how
I
it's
know.
look like.
Yan yun, Philippine Hawk Eagle. Ngayon, alam mo na kung ano itsura ng Philippine Hawk Eagle. Ay, may sugat siya. In the forehead. And there's another one
The
there.
beak.
Oh, I see it.
Hmm?
Is that the big
Oh.
monkey? We want to see the monkey. Also, reminds me of Santa Claus.
Hmm. Those are monkeys too.
Daddy, monkey.
See? Si Banggi?
Oh.
See the monkey?
Mommy, don't that look like the monkey from
The monkey
Lion
is so
King?
sad.
Yeah.
Because
Oh.
my red
Monkey is not laughing.
Monkey looks sad. Kalipot. The monkey looks sad.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why?
Oh, maybe because they were in the cage.
They shouldn't. Why won't the zoo people just make it much happier? So they like put banana trees, like jungle.
Maybe.
Lizard.
Lizard.
This way, lizard. Lizard.
Slowly.
Come here, this way. That's broken. Open. Huh?
Why?
Stop.
Musang.
Mm.
Ito musang video. Gulat ako eh.
Let's go.
Wait.
Amid.
Alamid.
Alamid. Their poops.
Yun, lizard oh.
Oh,
Why does this look like abandoned?
that looks, what do you call that, the lizard movie?
Leo!
Leo.
Leo.
Hi, Leo! Hi, Leo! And what's this one? What's that one?
Oh,
Ayun,
another.
meron pa, lizard.
Lizard.
Ito ay Philippine Selfin lizard.
So,
Ito. Ayun, baby. Ayun.
the buntot. So, haba ng buntot ha. Yun pa oh.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Blockers.
Nalapit din sa tubig.
My blockers.
Ayun,
Blockers.
Wow,
malapit.
dami pa pala dito. Tabi po.
Mommy,
Mantik na tayong umuwi ah. Ano pa oh.
Wala pa pala dito sa taas.
Mm-mm.
your first time.
Yes, baby.
Me too. What about daddy?
Yeah,
Oh,
it's first time to. Come on.
spider. Broken.
Oh no.
What happened?
Oh no.
What?
Oh,
Why?
Why?
there's a snake.
Oh, the snake is here?
Yeah, the python.
Oh my.
Oh, scary.
Articulated python.
Scary, don't wanna see.
Where's
The other one. The other one.
Python. Oh, that's a big one.
And the other one.
Oh my goodness, are they dead?
No, they're sleeping. See, oh, it's so big. Oh my. This one din.
Oh, big. Oh.
Mommy, I'm going to ask me.
Oh, no more na.
Escape. You eat
So
it.
long.
Opo, I thought you don't want na eh.
Animals escape.
Yeah, they broke the glass.
Yeah, I think they
Oh,
did.
so big.
Oh no. It's not the animals.
Ito po, baby. Oh. This is tupa. Sheep.
Wow.
Okay, dali ba? Yan, tupa yan. Dali, go.
I think this turned into a exciting movie.
Yan ang sheep, baby.
Wow.
Ang dami ditong hayop, ano. Sulit din.
80, di ba?
Wolfwhite.
Daddy, the one with horns is
Matanda na lang yata ang siningil niya. 80.
Ha?
Matanda na lang ang siningil
Oo.
niya. Sabi niya, sa matanda na lang.
How do they eat?
Wow.
How do they eat?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Maybe they feed. They're fighting.
Oh.
Oh.
Baby, Philippine eagle. Yan, Philippine eagle. Lawin.
Ew, eating a rock.
Hmm.
They are chewing, not eating.
Hmm.
Why?
It's,
Ayun o, may snake pa. Ayun o, snake.
oh. Wow. It's a white snake.
Yeah, I didn't saw that when I was little.
That's why you need to look on your step.
Because snakes are, what you call that?
It's good for pomegranate.
Yeah.
Here.
Oh, ow.
Hi.
Mommy, stop it.
Let's go, let's go.
Bye-bye. Be careful, huh? There's another eagle here. Mommy, Daddy put the punch
This is ano, Philippine serpent eagle. Serpent eagle in kami. Kinakain ng bigay. Snake, reptiles, and small mammals.
Snakes! They eat snakes? Oh my god! Look at the wings! Boink! It was trying to. Why is saw that, right?
Yeah.
It's funny. He's trying to learn how to fall.
Mhm.
The white eagle.
Mommy, a flat. Mommy, it's like you know, like a balancing pole, and then when you go
Saan na tayo?
jump, you like
Ligaw na
try
tayo.
Ito, dito. Ano to?
Oh my goodness! We might get a lot of views. Huh? Big. Yeah. I hope there's no
That
bears.
one, oh, the white one. See that big bird? So big.
Oh my! I
Ouch.
thought it was a dog.
White-listed sea eagle.
So big.
More bigger than the other
Yeah.
eagles.
Yes, it's so big.
Ew! I saw it poop, mommy.
Ito.
I see it poop.
Ayun.
And the other! There's another one.
Yeah. Go, 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 go.
They're communicating.
Be quiet.
Ito mo.
Oh.
Oo. Ano pa yun dito?
Baka bawal dyan pumunta. Daddy, baka ayaw nilang magpapunta dito. O, go na.
Let's go, mommy. Our adventure's getting more a little bit strange. How strange here.
There's a boar. A boar. Look. Baboy damo. Yan ang baboy damo.
It's just dead.
Oh, it's good.
Oh,
Why is it not moving?
Yan ang baboy damo.
sleeping.
This is a black sheep.
Smells. Naamoy ko yung pids. Naamoy ko yung pids.
Ay, Philippine owl.
Ito, ano naman to? Baba, black sheep, have you had a wool? Eagle, Philippine eagle owl.
That's what they sound.
Yeah.
That's communicate.
Ayan, Dorper sheep. Dorper.
Yeah,
Mommy, I think we have a new leader.
Kali. Yeah. Yeah. The leader falls down.
There's a dinosaur bird.
Where?
Here. Dinosaur bird.
The same one. The dinosaur bird. It's in here.
Paano kaya nalilipat nila yan? Pinapatulog?
I don't know.
Kasi kapag kayo, matalas ng kukunin, no?
Hindi ba yan basta mahawakan? Baka.
Ay, may baboy damo rin
Mommy,
dito.
you
Native pig.
Ah, ito. Halika dito.
give me that one.
Mm.
You're the only one
Ay, yung
that's
pig
wet.
pa, oh, may pig, oh.
Sleeping.
Sleeping pig. Or maybe sleeping pig
Yan ang
beauty.
kinakain yan, no, mami, mga baboy damo. Yung mga yung bagabi.
Laki din na naabot natin. Ah.
Cute. Huh?
Sakto lang din dating natin. Gantong oras. Mga gantong oras. Sakto lang yung dating. Kasi pag mamaya mainit,
Sobrang ano, pag ano.
pag nga madilim na, hindi mo na makita. 4.
Hmm?
4. Wala mo yun, naikot natin din.
Ha?
Naikot
Oo
din
nga.
natin.
Alam ko, wala na kasi
Akala
padali.
ko din. Oh,
Nasa taas na ang ano.
nasa likod.
Maganda rin yung lugar, gawa ng maraming puno. Tama lang. Dapat pa nga ilagyan pa ng mga puno pa.
Oo.
Imagine mo, mga ibon doon, gala na eh. Nasa taas lang ng puno ng itlog. Hmm? Baka katipain yan sa likod.
Dito lang. Tingin lang tayo sa malayo.
Doon na tayo sa sakar mo pahinga.
Mm.
Tabi. Tabi. Tumayo na oh.
Mm. Ang laki na. The pelicans.
Pelican. Pelican. Laki.
Kasi mas matangkad pa sa'yo ate. Kasi tangkad.
Matangkad pa sa iyo. Picture mo yung dala. Dali, mami.
Stand up ka beside.
Tabi, tamabi kayo.
Oh, face here. Face here.
Kali.
Kali.
Lapitan mo ng picture. Kaya na si tita. Kaya na si tita Ina.
Eh, busy yun.
Ay, busy.
Nag-ano.
Caleb na lang.
Nag-asikaso yun. Pakita mo kay Caleb yan. Gusto mo dito maupo? Una. Daddy, papakita mo ba yung ibon?
Sige, wait lang na.